Hello, this is Chapter 7, Data Collection and Descriptive Statistics.
For getting a data collection after a lot of thinking, there are 4 steps you should follow. Number 1. The construction of a data collection form used to organize the data you collect. Number 2. The designation of the coding strategy used to represent data on a data collection form. Number 3. The collection of an actual data. Number 4. Entry onto the data collection. After these steps, you are ready to analyze your data. After you have your idea and your teacher has already approved it, it is time to start thinking about the process of collecting data. This includes all sources to get data and everything you need to facilitate the process. Once you know what information to use and from where you are going to get it, the next step is to develop a scheme so it is easier to understand the information. You should put together all your organized data. When researchers have data, the first thing you should do is the data collection form.
Data collection and descriptive statistics is based on 6 steps: ID, gender, building, reading score, and math score. An important point in data collection is to show it to someone who is unfamiliar to a project, so he can analyze the project better than someone that is familiar with the project. The main key to designing a data collection is the amount of planning invested in the project, because with more time invested, you will see all the important details that you couldn't see with a little time invested. For multiple choice tests, it's recommended to use an optical scoring sheet, which is scored on an optical scanner. An example of this is the College Board and SIT. The machines that check these exams are expensive. Of course they are, but in my opinion, they really reduce the amount of time. With the years, you will see the difference. Now, on these days, technology gave us really good products to make data collection. You may use a laptop or a smartphone to collect data, and it's more easy than.
Next, you must proceed with coding data. Data are coded when they are transferred from the original collection into a format that lends itself to data analysis. The use of digits, for example, not only saves space, but when it comes for data analysis, it is also much more precise. One rule for coding data is to use codes that are as reduced in clutter and as unambiguous in meaning as possible without losing the true meaning of the data themselves. The rule here is always to record your data in elements that are as explicit and as discrete as possible. There are 10 commandments of data collection. First, go through the process of getting permission to collect your data. Second, begin thinking about the type of data you will have to collect to answer your question. Third, think about where will you be obtaining your data. Fourth, make sure the data collection form you're using is clear and easy to use. Fifth, make a duplicate copy of the data file and keep it in a separate location. Sixth, do not rely on other people to collect or transfer your data. Seventh, plan a detailed schedule of when and where you will be collecting your data. Eighth, cultivate possible sources for your participant pool. Ninth, try to follow up on subjects who miss their testing session. And last but not least, number 10, never discard original data.
Getting ready for data analysis. By using the descriptive statistics, you can describe the score you have collected. The tools you collect are called inferential statistics, and this will help the decision of your project. The first step in the analysis of data is to describe each step. This means a set of descriptive statistics are called distribution of scores.
When to use measure. The mean, the median, and the mode provide different types of information and should be used in different ways. The mean is the best use for describing data that are interval or ratio in nature, such as speed or response. The mean provides more information than the mode or the median. The median is the middlemost and is best suited to data that are ordinal or rank. The mode should be your choice when the data are qualitative in nature, nominal or categorical, for example, gender, hair color, etc.
Created using Powtoon.